video, I'll bring you guys more Ratchet Clank. This is part 12. We're in the middle of the action of Kalebo 3. So without further ado, go ahead and sit down, relax, and enjoy the show. Alright, so in the middle of the action of Kalebo 3, go ahead and ride this rail real quick. Oh, wait, do I even have any weapons? I made a slight miscalculation in recording and wasn't, so trying to get everything situated now. All right, not bad. Wait, who's shooting? Yeah. So what was missed was pretty much just kind of the intro of me fighting people and getting them out of my way. Some money real quick. So we're kind of already in the thick of it for the most part, and you can't necessarily go back after checkpoints were hit. Oh.
Well, should be easy to bleat these guys. Oh, Ratchet.
I ain't getting anything out of it. Ooh, a lot of ammo, so I like to see. Alright, hold on, I need a I need something good. No, Warmonger's probably gonna be for. I can't even see him. Sit still, sit still. Oh, I missed. No shot. There we go. Alright. No. Alright. For you. What is this for? Oh my god. Oh, that's all I have for that. Get my way. Get rid of them. Cool. I don't know how that hit me still. And can I do something with this? I can't tell this. I'll wait for these.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
Hey, back up. I'm busy. I'm trying to do something real quick. Get away! Alright, so let's go with this. Is that close enough? Might not be close enough, folks. Oh, my dumbass. Ah! It ain't hitting. Alright, so can I help me? And we'll go with this. I gotta get rid of this thing first. Beautiful. Alright, cool. It's down. Oh. Whoa. Whoa. It's not a good idea, y'all. Get back away. No! Alright, this is good. I need the Warminer to do damage. Probably doom them. Where are these guys from me? Oh. You guys all over there. Let them handle that. Zircon, come out and help me. And we'll do. I'll probably just smack these guys up. There we go. There you go, Zircon. Do your thing. Do your thing, King. Alright, cool. Oh, they got rid of the big bot. I like that. I like that a lot. Alright. So now, let's make the Warmonger. I like it. Beautiful. Hit this man with a headshot real quick. Oops. I'll use my regular gun for you.
Nice.
Alright. Oh, you're not down? Okay. Are you down yet?
Ouch.
Would you go down? Oh, Lord have mercy. Somebody make it make sense. Oh, oh, haha! We got the goods. Alright, get the thing away from me. Get away, get away, get away. Alright, I need to get rid of you. Alright, cool. Oh, Lord have mercy. Somebody, please. Zircon. Yo, you damn things with the bombs. How you like it? Oh, that's... Oh, you lucky something. Alright, got one. Alright. Where's the last guy at? Is he down? Sit still. Alright, cool. Now, yeah.
Oh dear.
Alright.
More of them.
Alright. That's all good. And that's all I got. And, I don't think Zircon can do anything from here. I don't think this is gonna do anything. I'm gonna try it. Oh, no! Damn it. Oh, my goodness. Did they blow up the other death box? Wait, oh, fire. I was like, what hit me? Get him. Get him. Come right if you want to. Good. Oh, well, that works. Alright, cool. Let's go with the Warmonger to get rid of this thing. Ain't no way. Alright, do some damage there. Alright. Where's the big heads over here? Ow. Alright. Oh, I got some more? Beautiful. Use on you. Alright, to get a good shot. Sit still. You're not sitting still. Oh, I thought I was getting attacked. Sit still. Oh, I missed. That was my last shot. Oh, good. It killed him anyway. Good stuff. Alright, cool. Now, we got a Zircon.
What warned you about Mr. Zircon?
And we use fusion grenade with them. Man, all that money that was over there too, bro. Oh, I'm so pissed.
Plus Mr. Zircon equals die.
Man, Zircon crazy. That didn't hit anything. Alright. I didn't take out not one of them. Oh wait, you know what? I can do this. Oh no, man, this doesn't work. Oh, I'm sick. Alright, yeah. Alright. No, I'm not gonna use that. I use these. For the reach? Oh, for the reach. Hey. Oh, wait. Come on now. That wasn't supposed to come out yet. Ah! Do I have anything? Nope. Yeah.
Mr. Zircon is here
Check him out.
to kill.
I'm hurting.
Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. I'm not gonna make it. Ah!
Mr. Zircon is full.
Oh boy, out of ammo.
Fuck me. God damn it. Shit. I don't know what to do. I'm kind of just trapped here. Ah! 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 Damn it. I was trying to get to the health as well as ammo. Yo, why is this so annoying? Let me see. Oh wait, I messed up. No, wait, you.
I shall let you live, little alien. Sorry. Zircon lives only to kill.
God damn. Alright, hold on. I gotta get rid of this asshole right here. Damn, y'all already killed me already? Sheesh. Where are these guys at? Thanks. Oh. Alright, wait a minute. Is that all the health? Son of a bitch. Yeah, I'm not gonna make y'all. Again. I don't know how I got rid of these guys last time. Oh, wait, this. Alright, cool. What? Make it make sense. Oh, I'm not gonna make it. Fuck. I'm trying to fly across. Wait a minute, is it two over there? Oh no, they dropping them off on that side. My help me, please. Stop! Come on now. This ain't got nothing to do with y'all. Oh Lord. Move. Alright. Man, y'all made me sit here and waste valuable health point, man. I don't know why I'm open like this. Is he looking at me? Oh, I missed. I can't believe I missed that. Alright, cool. Moving fucking forward. Actually, let's see if I can make him dance. Oh, wait, no. Uh oh, that's not what I wanted. They dance anyway? I don't think so. Oh, they are. Alright. Move, move! Oh my god.
You're not walking out.
Come on now.
Oh dear, more of them.
Can I get rid of these two? Let's see. Yes. Go get them. Blow them up. Get them. Beautiful. All right, cool. Now to deal with this. I know. Did I miss? Come on now. I feel like that's not doing any kind of damage.
Mr. Zircon is here to kill.
Alright, cool. Alright, I feel like these guys shouldn't be too hard. Now what y'all moving around with this. Okay. He's kinda messed up.
Mr. Zircon is home.
Okay, that's the last of the blarg.
Jesus.
Nanotech. Wish to take a nap too, Longbacks?
Volunteer detected in Fluffy Bunny Room. Prepare to play with adorable bunny rabbits.
Lies.
That doesn't sound so bad.
Correction. The Fluffy Bunny Room has been relocated to Sector 12, initiating death and dismemberment protocol.
Of course.
Is it gonna open?
Creature, you fight like an infant blood. These are the moments Mr. Zircon lives for. You look like you could do with a good killing.
Thank you, Zircon. Hey, I see exactly what I needed. Ah.
Need some
Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Hurry up. Yeah, that's all well and dandy. Son of a bitch. What? Why?
Volunteer detected in Fluffy Bunny Room.
Yeah.
Prepare to play with adorable bunny rabbits.
That doesn't sound
Probably
so
should have
bad.
waited for that.
Correction.
Whatever.
The Fluffy Bunny Room has been relocated to Sector 12, initiating
Oh, all
death
my ammo
and
back.
dismemberment protocol.
Of course.
Start up. Where's Zircon at? Do their thing. Do your thing. Get him. Destroy them all. I thought I had to stay in this space. I could have been left. Get him. Look at, there's so many of them. Oh wait. Perfect. That'll work. Oh no, you didn't. I just punched me. Ooh, okay. Fuck y'all. Everybody start dancing. That's a lot of goddamn robots. Hey, calm that down. Lone survivor so bad.
Complete. Thank you for participating in the Gadgetron weapon test. Your 10% off coupon will be mailed to your home address within
10%.
5 to 7 years.
Years.
Well, now that nightmare is over, let's find that hoverboard course. We have to be close to it now.
Let's have a chat. I don't believe it! Ratchet and Clank here at Gadgetron! The name's Wendell Lumos. I'm the CEO of this fine company.
Huge fan of your weapons, Mr. Loomis. Listen, Clank and I are on a mission to save the galaxy, and we need one of your hollow guyses.
I'm afraid we're out of that product. Those darn blarg have been raiding our stockpiles. Minor security issue, certainly nothing to make public. We still have the prototype, but it's now a prize in our hoverboard competition.
Are you still accepting new competitors?
Of course, but as you can see, we're having a little bit of a flood problem. The blarg bombed our dam this morning. I don't suppose you have a hydro displacer, do you?
Funny, I have that exactly. Would you look at that?
Good news! I have just been notified that our security drones have cleared the hoverboard course. This means we will be moving forward with our competition.
Let's do it then.
Ready?
I forgot how to do. Oh, accelerating boost.
Go!
Oh shit, I gotta hold it.
Ratchet boosts himself ahead.
Woo!
Don't forget, the winner gets our most valuable product, a prototype hollow guide.
Should I hit these? Oh yeah, I should, I guess. I want the coins.
Wow! Ratchet pulls a trick, and the crowd goes crazy.
I'm in 5th place. Oh! Oh, that might slow me down, actually, now I think about it. Oh.
Ratchet is now in last place.
Alright, hey, I'm not in last.
We want you to win.
Oh, I missed a little boost thing. Alright, I'm in 3rd. I'm in 3rd.
Look at that trick. Oh, kids these days. Ratchet, I'd really like to give you this hollow.
Oh, no! Oh,
Win first.
nice.
Ooh, Ratchet moves into second place. Ratchet takes the lead. Ratchet is now falling behind.
Oh, I shouldn't have missed that. Good stuff.
Ratchet wins. You did it! Ha, congratulations! Here's your hollow guys. Do me a favor. When you use it, post your thoughts on the social medias. The kids love their social medias. Hashtag Gadgetron.
Will do. Alright. So I think I'll do the bronze and
Polaris,
silver
come in.
later.
We've got the hollow guys.
I mean not silver and gold.
Nice. Head back to your ship. I'm just putting the final touches on our assault plan. I'll brief you when you're there.
We qualified for the next cup race.
Looks like you can upgrade the Glove of Doom.
I wish I had this. Oh, yeah. Let me see.
Good choice. You see something you like? Isn't Raritanium awesome?
Oops. I'll upgrade this. Oops. I don't know what I'm doing. Sure. Zircon needs upgrade too, though. What is the shot count? Each Zircon comes loaded with even more shots. Yeah. Fire even faster. Shake down enemies for more bolts. I love my monies. Fun. Alright, good
Enjoy
stuff.
your new sheepinator, but don't point it at yourself.
Oh, does that move me?
We should return to the ship and contact Delaris.
All right, Rangers. I think I have a plan for how to take down the deplanetizer once and for all. By energizing the holo guys Ratchet and Clank acquired from Gadgetron, they'll actually be able to become Captain Quark for a short period of time. While in disguise, they should be able to get past the deplanetizer's primary shields.
Greetings, citizen. I'm just here to use your weight room.
You're clear, Captain.
From there, they'll need to access the deplanetizer's Starcracker room. The deplanetizer uses a gravity stabilizer to position itself over its target. By extracting the stabilizer, the deplanetizer will drift off from its target and become vulnerable to our attack. Once Ratchet and Clank give the word, we'll activate our new Mad Boosters, flip the deplanetizer, and save the galaxy!
Copy that, Alaris. We're on our way.
Alright, ScruffPack, that is all the time we have for today's video. This has been part 12 of Ratchet and Clank. A little touch and go there with all those losses, but we made it through, thankfully. And again, I apologize for putting you guys in the middle of the action. That was my mistake. But if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like and a comment down below. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. That way you never miss when a video goes live. This was part 12, like I said before, Kalebo 3 mission. Our next mission will be on the Planetizer for the next visit to infiltrate as Captain Quark. But stay tuned for that. As always, you guys can follow me on my socials. I'm on Twitter, IG, and TikTok. And you guys can hop in my Gilded server with the rest of the ScruffPack community. I'll put those links down below. I also stream live on Twitch at twitch.tv/IamScruffyWolf. If you guys have any free time, you can check that out. But again, thank y'all for tuning in. Hope you guys have been enjoying the series so far, and stay tuned for part 13. Later.